Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Behria Model School PND Maripur online classes. I hope you are all well and missing your school and class fellows. I am Zara, your class teacher. Today I will teach you SST. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Cleanliness is half the faith." In today's difficult situation, you can protect yourself from this virus by taking care of cleanliness. You can protect yourself and those around you by washing your hands frequently. First of all, I would like to discuss about your first term SST syllabus. There are 4 chapters in first term syllabus. First chapter name is Landform. Second chapter name is Ocean and Seas. Third chapter name is Children Rights. Fourth chapter name is Communication. Let us now begin the first lesson. Landform is our first lesson. I have divided the lesson into 2 parts. I will read the first part of it now so that you can understand easily. What is landform? Natural, geographical or physical feature on the Earth's surface are called landforms. Collectively, these included fault, mountain, cliffs, bays, peninsulas, valleys, deltas, plateaus, hills, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, springs, rapids, and natural vegetation. Fold mountain. Fold mountains are formed when the layers of Earth's crust are folded by comparison. To make your own fold mountain with the help of some hand towels, lay 10 hand towels on a flat surface and place 2 shoe boxes on each side like shown here. Push the shoe boxes toward the center as shown. This activity shows as how fold mountains are formed when forces move toward a common center. Cliffs are high steep faces of rocks. They are usually found alongside or in mountainous areas. They are formed due to erosion and weathering. Softer rocks erode due to wind or water flow. Those rocks which are resistant to erosion and weathering from cliffs. Some famous cliffs in the world are Land's End in England and Moher in Ireland. Bay is the part of a sea or lake that is surrounded by land from 3 sides. A bay is a body of water that is mostly surrounded by land. Bays are formed by erosion of rocks near seashores. Peninsulas are areas of land that extend out into the sea from the mainland. Some very prominent peninsulas are the Malaysian and the Italian peninsulas. Valley. The land area between the foot of 2 mountain ranges is called a valley. These areas are very fertile and occasionally a river flows through them. Sometimes valleys are formed when 2 parallel parts of the earth move and the landmass skins in the middle. This is called a rift valley. Plateaus. Plateaus are high-level grounds of hard-layered land that has a broad and flat platform or tableland. 45% of the earth consists of plateaus. The Balochistan Plateau and the Potwar Plateau in Punjab are the best example of these landforms in Pakistan. Hills are areas of higher altitude which rise above the rest of the land. Hills are made of harder rocks. Rivers. A river is a natural stream of water that flows into the sea or a lake. Rivers are formed when the ice and snow melt and flow down from the mountain toward the lowland of the valley and the plains. The longest river in the world is the Nile in Egypt. The Indus River is the longest river in Pakistan. Lakes are large bodies of water surrounded by land. Lakes are formed in lowland of a valley or plain. The water in lake is usually still as opposed to rivers which are usually flowing. A waterfall is a place where the flow of a river drops from a great height. The earth's surface absorbs rainwater. When there is abundance of water, the water accumulates and flows. This is known as a natural spring. The water from the spring is rich in minerals and is very clean and healthy for drinking. Some natural springs, however, have a high content of minerals such as sulfur and other metals. The water from such spring is good for bathing but not for drinking. Rapids. When a river flows downstream through rocks and cliffs, the water comes down with a great force and it moves with great speed. This section of a river is known as a rapid. It is extremely dangerous to swim or sail a boat in these waters. Natural vegetation. All the plants and plant life of a place growing naturally is known as natural vegetation. Home assignment. Read this chapter, search about landform and collect more information about it. Make a title on your copy of landforms. Underline the difficult word and search its meaning. The first part of the video is over. Hope you understand. I will be back with the second part of the video of this chapter. Protect yourself from the coronavirus and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.